Hey there, it's Donald here. Today's Tech Time. Today's episode, I'm going to show you a really easy, simple way how to decorate your everyday vases with wall muslin, bouillon wire, and U-glue. Let's do this. Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I want to show you a really easy, simple way how to decorate your vase. Everybody know how to decorate your everyday vases or square vases with a ribbon outside, but how can you secure it and make sure they not come off? Sometimes they're just easy to come off like this when you deliver it. So I have a really simple technique and show you today. So when you decorate your square vases, I just cut a small amount of muslin and go around the vases easily. But one of the thing is, sometimes when you go deliveries, it's easy to come off. And also when they're touching the water, or maybe your vases have oil outside, not clean, they will easy to come off. No matter what kind of things you put it in, or U-glue, or double-sided tape, they will still come off. The easy way to do this is, at first, I will put a bouillon wire around it. So let me show you what I do. Basically, I'm just using bouillon wire, wrap around a few times. What happened here is, when you do the bouillon wire around it, especially the bouillon wire from Speed Oasis, they have a little wavy texture on the wire. So the U-glue or the glue dot or whatever double-sided tape you're using is easy to grab on something. So I just cut the end off and just push it. So what I'm doing here is take some U-glue and put it onto the surface of the bouillon wire. Glue right onto the bouillon wire here. On 4 different sizes. Take it off, and take that off again too. After that, you just put your wall muslin on top like this. I'm going to cut this and then put another U-glue here on this side. So at the end, put another U-glue and just glue it on. So right now it's not going to come off even I push it. It's not come off. Especially when they're touching the water, they will still stay on. If you really worry about it, make sure you put another layer of bouillon wire on top. If you want to. That is not going to go anywhere. Ta-da! I hope this video make your everyday design easier, faster, and more efficient. See you next time!